We have the HK12 ultrasonic screen frame that has been removed from the sieve shaker. You notice there's a hole in here, and we're getting it ready to send back for a rescreen. Proper way to remove the ultrasonic transducer. First, unhook the pigtail. Spanner wrench to remove the ultrasonic transducer. Now we can inspect the ultrasonic transducer. This is the ultrasonic transducer or converter, and this is your ultrasonic booster. This face here needs to be nice and clean. Simple scratch pad. Wipe clean. There shouldn't be any big pits or anything on that surface. Same with the screen frame. Inspect this mating area here. Simple scratch pad. Wipe it clean. Check your threads for worn threads. HK can rethread these for you and also resurface this area if it is pitted.